Nursery cartoon life journey with who I'm. In the shimmering sun where the waters gleam bright, 5 ducks dance and splash in sheer delight. With feathers of gold and beaks painted cheer, they quack out their songs for all hearts to hear. Round they glide on the surface so cool, rippling reflections in this perfect pool. Each stroke a ballet, each dive an embrace. Joy radiates forth from their playful grace. One dips down low with a flick of her tail, creating soft waves like a whispered tale. The others erupt into laughter and glee, a symphony woven by nature's decree. Beneath lily paths where shadows entwine, they find secret treasures that shimmer and shine. A world full of wonder beneath liquid skies, in this tranquil haven where innocence lies. As twilight descends with its blush on the scene, golden hues softened to delicate green, the ducks settle close as the day whispers rest. Together they huddle, it's warmth they know best. But one little dreamer lifts his head high and gazes at clouds drifting slow through the sky. With visions of journeys far beyond this pool, he wonders what life holds outside of their rule.
What a splash!
Yet bonds of affection hold firm like a chain. No matter how far dreams may lead them to roam, these 5 will return where their laughter remains, in echoes of water that call them back home. So let us remember those moments so pure. 5 ducks in a pool, their joy is our cure. For in simple splashes and quacks shared anew, we find life's sweet essence reflected in blue.
Splish splash, having a blast, dancing in the pool so fast.
Clean 5 ducks well forth in a sunlit dream, with laughter and barks they spread out their feast. Beneath azure skies their joy is unleashed. A checkered blanket laid with care on the ground, where sandwiches wait and sweet fruits abound. They nibble on morsels of crusty brown bread, while waves softly lap where the seas whisper spread. In a quaint little hut that's shaded and cool, they dart for respite like kids rushing to school. With feathers a fluffing and sunbeams aglow, they change into hats, oh the fun starts to flow. One dons a bright fedora adorned with a flower, another finds shades to embrace summer's power. The third puts on flip-flops that slip and slide right, while the last plays maracas. It's quite the sight. When hunger returns with a tickle of glee, back to their picnic for more jubilee. They munch on some berries, their favorite treat, and sip from small cups filled with nectar so sweet. But oh, what delight when they play in the waves, splashing together like happy little knaves. With peeps of pure joy as they leap through each crest, their hearts find contentment, a moment well blessed. As shadows grow long and day turns to night, the 5 gather close neath a soft twinkling light. With stories exchanged in sweet laughter's embrace, each memory shared holds its own special place. So here by the shore where friendship runs deep, these ducks know that moments like this they must keep. For life is but fleeting, a treasure so rare. Yet here by this beach there's magic to share. But oh, what delight when they play in the waves, splashing together like happy Nursery cartoon life journey with who I'm